Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we show you how to fix "you don't have sufficient access to uninstall." Chapter 1. Enable Administrator User. To get started, open the Command Prompt Console or Terminal as an administrator. Execute the command on the screen to activate the administrator user. Now click on the user's profile in the Start menu and there click on Administrator. Log in with this profile. Then it validates if it opens the wizard to uninstall the application or tries to uninstall. After that, you can return to the initial session. Chapter 2. Change User Account Control Settings. To start, enter user in the search engine. Click Change User Account Control Settings. Move the slider to the bottom of Never Notify, then apply the changes. You are going to reboot the system to apply those changes. Then, you can validate if it is possible to uninstall the application. Chapter 3. Restart Windows Installer Service. To get started, open Services from the browser. There you will look for the Windows Installer Service. At the top, click on the Restart line. Wait for the process to complete. Chapter 4. Uninstall as administrator. To get started, go to the path where the app is installed. Right-click on the uninstaller and select Run as administrator. Then confirm whether to open the wizard. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. End Program. To get started, open the Start menu and click Settings. Then click on Apps and then click on Installed Apps. Here you are going to click on the Application menu, select Advanced Options, then click Finish to end all its processes. Chapter 6. Use Safe Mode. From the search engine, enter the word misconfig and open the System Configuration utility. You are going to go to the Boot tab. Check the Safe Boot box. To apply the changes, you must reboot the system. Afterwards, you are going to restart Windows to access safe mode. From there, try opening the Uninstall wizard to see if it works. You can reboot the system to access normal mode. Chapter 7. Uninstall from Registry Editor. To get started, open the Registry Editor from the Finder. Next, you are going to go to the root that you see on the screen. Now you are going to right-click on the application folder and select Permissions. Leave the default option selected and activate the full control box. You can apply the changes. Chapter 8. Change application property. To get started, go to the path where the app is installed, right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. Now go to the Security tab and click on Advanced Options. If your user is not the owner at the top, you must click on Change and assign it. Apply the changes. Chapter 9. Uninstall application from CMD. This method applies only to some system applications. To get started, open the Command Prompt console as an administrator. Run the wmic command to access the utility, then run the product get name command to list the applications. If you see the desired app, you must execute the command that we leave you in the description of the video. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.